Today, let's learn first chapter in NCERT science book for class 10, Chemical Reactions and Equations. Let's start by learning the differences between physical and chemical change. Physical change is a change in which the form of matter is altered, but one substance is not transformed into another. The size or shape of matter may be changed, but no chemical reaction occurs. Whereas a chemical change, also known as chemical reaction, is a process in which one or more substances are altered into one or more new and different substances. In other words, a chemical change is a chemical reaction involving the rearrangement of atoms. Physical changes occur when heating or cooling is done, whereas chemical changes always involve absorption or release of energy. Physical changes have no effect on the chemical bonds of molecules of a substance, whereas chemical change has a direct effect on the chemical bonds of molecules in a substance. Firstly, let's learn about physical changes with an example. Melting of ice to form water and freezing of water to form ice are physical changes. That is, the chemical composition of water remains the same and the chemical bonding of water molecules is unaffected in all the three physical states of water. That is, ice in solid state, water in liquid state, and steam or water vapor in gaseous state. Only the intermolecular space differs. Few more examples for physical change are breaking of glass, mixing of sand with water, and dissolving salt in water. Now let's learn about chemical change with an example. Burning of wood is a chemical change. Wood is a solid substance made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Burning it with oxygen results in release of carbon dioxide and water. The process is irreversible and chemical bonding is affected as the wood burns to cinders. Few more examples for chemical change are combining baking soda and vinegar, curdling of milk, cooking, rusting iron, digesting food and respiration. Another example for chemical change is mixing of baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate, with vinegar, that is acetic acid. On to your right, the addition of spoonful of baking soda to vinegar results in effervescence of carbon dioxide. On to your left, the picture explains how the chemical reaction occurs between sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid, resulting in the formation of carbon dioxide, water and sodium acetate. One last example for chemical reaction is burning of magnesium ribbon. Magnesium is one of the alkaline earth metals. In its pure form, it is silvery white and relatively soft. It burns in air with a brilliant white light and for this reason is often used in flares and fireworks. Let's learn about the theory of activity 1.1, that is burning of magnesium ribbon. The aim of the activity is to prove that a chemical reaction occurs when magnesium ribbon is burnt. Apparatus required for this activity is magnesium ribbon, burner, tongs and glass plate. Precautions to be taken before performing the activity are as follows. Teacher's assistance is necessary. Wearing eye protection is better. Burn the magnesium ribbon holding it as far as possible from your eyes. Procedure to perform this activity. Rub the magnesium ribbon with sandpaper to remove the corroded layer, the basic magnesium carbonate. Hold the one end of the magnesium ribbon with tongs and burn it in the flame of Bunsen burner. Keep a dry glass plate to collect the white powder. Observation. Magnesium ribbon burns with white dazzling flame and changes into white powder and it is collected in the glass plate. White powder formed is magnesium oxide. Conclusion of this activity. Chemical reaction occurs with the burning of magnesium ribbon.